Who are the haters in your neighborhood? In your neighborhood. In your neighborhood.
What's cracking, family members? Preacher Man, Mothership on the Move, Church. You already know what it is, and this is an instructional video to show you how to remove graffiti off the side of your building. Yo, what's cracking, family members? Preacher Man. Preacher Man's birthday. You know, shout out to everybody that checked in for the show. I greatly appreciate it, man. I got the YouTube popping. So, real quick, some behind the scenes stuff that happened on my birthday that I'm just putting out here and stuff real quick. You know, I'm trying to kick it and stuff like that, and check it out. When I come up to my spot, I got tagged. See that? I got tagged. You know what I'm saying? You know, I got hit. You know, and you know, hey, check it out. Ain't no, it's not bad work. You know, but yo, shout out real quick. Now listen, and this is for my graffiti artists and stuff like that, you know? You did this for me for free. I hope you know you did this for me for free. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be able to use your work, you know what I'm saying? Any kind of way I want to, and I ain't gotta give you no money. So please. You know what I'm saying? You know, hey, I'm all for artists that's trying to stay broke. If you're trying to stay broke and, you know, but, you know, hook your boy up, I greatly appreciate it. So let's get into this photo shoot and this video blog and everything about your free ass work, church. So, ensued. Okay, so ensued, right? So what does ensued actually mean? It means to follow in order, to come right after or afterward. To follow in immediate succession. Like, you know, every action, there's a reaction. Okay, so, like, okay, if I use it in a sentence in this case, the hater artist came to the other artist and ensued a battle of the arts. So, man, you know what it is. Make sure y'all always follow me on all my social media. Y'all know what it is. AfroPreacher.com. You know what I'm saying? YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You already know what it is. Holler at your boys. Ensued. Now, okay. Now, this is not a wonder to me. Yes, Master P was right when he said, you know, who are the haters in your neighborhood? In your neighborhood, right? You know, P was right for that. So, okay. So, as you can see, you know, I got a little bit of vandalism going on and stuff like that or whatever. So, but the thing about vandalizing an artist knows a way to turn things around, because there's other ways that you can use your art too, like cleanup. This brand right here, Josco, I usually trust this brand right here. Does a real good job about getting the paint. You know, it's more like a gel. It's liquid, but it's more like a gel. So you'll be taking a brush and you'll be actually applying it with this. Breaks the paint down, makes it easy to remove. Paintbrush, use this to apply with. And just in case, any straight edge blade would do. You know, with a razor edge, so it's real easy to come off. A rag. And, you know, bucket with a little bit of water in it. That's all you need. And in my case, a fucking ladder. So, okay. So, we're going to start the first process, and that's the application. So, again, Josco. It's more, like I said, more like a liquid. So, you're going to use a brush to apply it with. Okay? So, it takes about 10-15 minutes for it to start working. After that, you can either wipe it off or scrape it off. It should come right off. So let's get started. Okay, I like to start with just a little bit of stripper at a time with a brush. Start the application, put it on, let it work for a few minutes. Here we go.
Yeah, we are in the place to be.
Okay, It's been 15 minutes. Watch this. Gone. And after you do that, blade, you know, after you take your blade and scrape. Okay. After that, clean. Then all you really pretty much want to do, get glass cleaner, buff it up, and you're done. So this is just a real quick 1-2 to show you how to get graffiti off of your glass and windows if you have a brick and mortar building. Now, as you can see, first layer done. That took about 15 minutes to do, so it doesn't take that long. You know, just put it on there, wipe and scrape, you know, as you see it working, stuff like that, and it'll come right off. And check it out. It is now clean. So yeah, that's basically the tricks of the trade of how you get graffiti off your stuff, man. If you ever have a problem, if you got any questions, just go ahead and just leave a comment down there and I answer your questions. And you know, if it's on other materials and stuff, this is just glass and stainless steel. So this is glass and stainless steel. So I mean, if you have other issues like stucco and other stuff like that, you know, please hit me up. You know, I'm an artist too, so if you've got some vandalism going on and you got defaced or anything like that, I can show you how to get it off there so you can take care of your business, so you can stay on your hustle, so you can show these haters how you take lemons and make them to lemonade. Okay, get paid, get your money, charge.